ดีค่ะ I'm back Angelina cook. Today I will show you what food. Let's go see easy to cook. What I'm using in the bamboo: garlic, cilantro, green onion, pork, bamboo, cherry powder, oyster. Let's go cook. Yesterday I buy bamboo. I take scan up out and I put water in the pot, make water boil. We have to put water, bamboo in the water, make boil for 2 hours. Have to cook bamboo, and after 2 hours we have to go look for the bamboo. It's a soppy. We can take out, put in the salt water at night, and if you wake up, you can take bamboo, put in the fat, and then we can cook together pork, fry together pork, and we have the shrimp. We have the shrimp look like noodle. We take paste, we shape bamboo look like noodle. Already done my bamboo and time to chop my pork. I'm done to cut my pork and time to chop garlic. Done my chop garlic, time to cut green onion and cilantro. Everything is done and time to go cook. We have to squeeze water out. Ready to cook. My part is hot. I have to put oil. When we fry bamboo, we have to use a lot of oil because bamboo so oil. First time, we put garlic. Time to put garlic. Cherry powder. And popcorn. And we put chicken powder. Little bit. salt a little bit. Time to put bamboo. And when we put bamboo inside, we have to cook for get the bamboo dry a little bit. We have to cook for a little while and give bamboo a crispy a little bit. And just now I put in baking powder and salt a little bit, and I add humidity a little bit. And oyster. Everything sauce go inside the bamboo and very tasty. That is a wild food, easy to cook. Don't need salt so much, don't need to put salt so much. Why and Myanmar is the same. Sometimes it's why don't use oil so much. Some food, if you want to put oil a lot, we can use. Time to take. I will take what's going on my bamboo. Wow, salt everything in between, oyster and salt a little bit, everything perfect. And time to put green onion and cilantro. Quickly done my bamboo. Time to ready to eat. Ready to eat. Who want to taste my favorite wall style? Come Miss Me Thailand. Time to take my bamboo. How's going on in my bamboo? Taste bamboo and pearl. Let's try how to taste. Wow. Pork is a salty. Bamboo is nice. Salt everything. Perfect. Everything very tasty. If you like my video, don't forget like, subscribe. See you the next time. Bye bye.